Do you want to end your year strong? Come to the Marketplace Champions Conference held in Johannesburg, South Africa on the 9th of November 2024. The International Marketplace Summit Ministry is calling all business leaders, professionals, entrepreneurs, and young people for a day of transformation and empowerment on how to unlock your gifts, talents, and abilities to win in the marketplace. Hosted by Prudence Machumi, a seasoned marketplace minister and prophetic gift to the nations, our diverse lineup of international and local speakers will share invaluable guidance and insights to help you achieve your business and career goals. You will be equipped and inspired to take your business and career to the next level by networking with industry leaders and professionals to shape your future in the marketplace.
Do you know that in the marketplace, you need the anointing to take over a community?
We encourage the youth not to miss this opportunity to equip yourself with tools that will propel you to thrive in the marketplace.
What I take from this is that we need to be practical and intentional about what we do in the marketplace.
I learned basically to be impactful in everything that I do.
We are inviting all vendors and entrepreneurs to showcase and sell their products and services by booking a table. From Kenya, Miami, and Chicago, we are ending in Johannesburg. Register today for early bird discounts. See you there.